Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about popover component in Bootstrap. What is popover? Why we require to use popover in Bootstrap component? Yes, popover will give you like a more exciting information you can provide and you can share more than what you are expecting to the additional information to the user with your products or buttons or cards, anything wherever you are to making a popover and you want to present additional information to the user. This will be more helpful you to use it. How it is, we'll see now. See, in the section 2, there is a button it is showing here like a view. When I place my mouse here, now see, if I click view, what it is showing pop over title. How it will comes an extension of additional window over there. So the pop-up is coming when I click the button of this, it is able to see. It's a button click where I have prepared for button click. Whereas if you want to wish to make it as an on mouse over pop-up view, yes, you can make on mouse over, on click, on change, on load. Likewise, you can have these feature to make it in availability of your buttons. This is the most useful online e-learning courses. You may observe that whenever you are placing your mouse at a single course, you will get additional information that the features of the course one by one will be there, like the course title you will get and the options you will get, how you are going to be preparing your card display information. All you will be like a design like this pop-up as your wish. And this popover title is having like the popover window. You will get an directions as well. It may be top, bottom, left, right. These are the things you can define as your wish. And moreover, you see, very simple. If you want to wish to see the popover, you will see here like this. To integrate this in your controls of a popover, go to cards of Bootstrap things, like a documentation. Here you will observe that popovers very super exciting, like a proper.js is required to add here with the third part library. You will be seen here also, and a makeover to enable popovers everywhere where you require this thing to be required to call the popover. And now see here the container, click here to toggle popover. Have you seen here? By making this line, you will get it by having these things of like a popover.js whenever you are integrated to your like a HTML form. All right, that is the super easy popover tooltip. You will get it like this and extend right, left, all the things you will see by taking all this code. 4 directions you will see what you require more, and there you can custom your like a so what is the popover, how to be display, you can design yourself. How you are going to be designed like images and text and ratings, what you require more to make it as a beautification of this container you design. I think you are most this is the most useful for you to understand about a popover title, Windows will help you more and more, and you have learned the next lecture for something addition on this. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.